Hi everyone, this is Keisha. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the finished look. Let me get into the details about this hair. So I'm looking at my phone. I apologize. Just want to make sure I have everything correct. Okay. Anyways, so the hair that I have in my hair is from an Aliexpress hair vendor. I purchased this hair from a company called Virgo, V-I-R-G-O, like the zodiac sign. Anyways, no, I'm not a Virgo. I'm a Libra. Anyways, the hair that I purchased is a Mongolian Afro Kinky curly wig. The hair color I purchased came in a natural 1B. It's a lace front. And lace front, I'll show you guys a picture of it, but basically the parting space between this section is longer versus the size. The size is probably about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches, and here is probably, I don't know, what's the normal parting, what, 3-4 inches. So it goes back to here, the parting, but on the sides only, it doesn't go back as far. The amount I purchased this hair was for $113.11, and the total with shipping and everything, $120.48. So I purchased this hair, I believe I purchased it on a Thursday, and I received it that following Tuesday. So that wasn't bad, including if you count the weekend. So if you count the weekends, it took what, 2 days? Friday, if you don't count the weekends, excuse me. So you have Friday, Monday, and then I received it Tuesday. So about 2-3 days that I received the hair. What I will say is, if you are interested in this hair, reach out to the vendor, let them know, hey, I'm interested in Mongolian Kinky hair. Let them know what you're actually looking for, the lengths. And so the length that I have in my hair is 24 inches, and basically it shrinks, but it is 24 inches and I'm 5'4", so it literally hits my waist, which is pretty cool, which I like. Again, I would suggest you reaching out to the vendor, letting them know that you're interested in the hair. For some reason, I find when you reach out to the vendor and let them know, hey, I'm interested in the hair, seems like you get a better quality versus just, you know, going on and just purchasing it without communicating that you're purchasing it. Meaning just going on Aliexpress and purchasing it versus reaching out to the vendor, hey, I'm interested in the hair, and they'll actually send you a link and be like, hey, here you go. So I think I'm gonna start doing that from now moving forward. This hair is super soft, like super like cushiony soft. When I took the hair out of the package, it smelled kind of like shampoo. Like they shampooed and conditioned the hair, and it was later confirmed that they probably did shampoo the hair and didn't fully shampoo the hair out. When I started adding products, it started foaming up as if there was still some shampoo in it. So, which I don't mind. It smelled very pleasant. It had a pleasant smell to it. In the clip, you saw me using basically a cream and a gel for this hair, and I did that to see if I would achieve a different type of curl, because normally when you get your curly hair, it'll look one way, but then once you start adding products, the curl would change. So I was like, oh, let me see if that'll happen with this. It did not happen. So I would not use good curling hair products on this hair. Not saying it's not worth it, but you can get away with using styling foam with this hair because you'll still get the same curl. This is the same curl, but it's just now it has more of, it's not as dry. Of course, with curly hair, you want to make sure you add probably just a little bit of coconut oil or some shining spray, whatever of your choice, because the hair can look dry, because it looked dry when I first took it out of the package. So make sure you do that. It does have 3 combs and a strap. I put my strap all the way to the furthest away from the side combs as possible because I have a little head, which is good, little head friendly. I had to cut a lot on the sides, but I made it work, as you can see. I would suggest that you bleach the knots. I try to put foundation on the inside of the wig, as well put concealer in between, but these knots do not want to get any type of shading. They don't want no shade. They want to be all in the sun. So just make sure you bleach the knots, because you not bleaching the knots is, you're going to really see the knots. As you probably can see, if I come a little closer, you probably can see the knots. But I'm going to still rock it, because I don't care. I don't care. No. Anyways, all the details that I went over, I'll include that in the description box, as well as a link to the hair, the price I paid, the length is a 24-inch. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Bye.